This video will help you to develop a program evaluation plan for your IET program. The content of this video is based upon the Integrated Education and Training Design Toolkit, which was developed by the American Institutes for Research, AIR, and SAFAL partners. Take a moment and think about what you might want to evaluate to see if your IET program is effective. Feel free to pause the video and then hit play when you're ready to resume. Program evaluation provides valuable input into what your IET program is doing well and also helps you identify areas for improvement. After watching this video, our goal is that you'll be able to start developing an outline for evaluation of your IET program. A well-designed program evaluation plan will identify program goals, guide data collection, analysis, and reporting, support continuous improvement and sustainability efforts, and comply with WIOA program reporting requirements. As you develop your IET program evaluation, you'll want to consider questions related to two main areas: process and outcome. Here are some examples of some topics related to process and outcomes that you may want to include in your evaluation plan. Process evaluation questions usually relate to program design, IET curriculum and instruction, program implementation, and learner and partner experience and perceptions. Outcome evaluation questions usually relate to progress toward expected learner outcomes and learner and partner outcomes at program completion. As you develop your evaluation plan, it should relate to the goals you set for your program. Here are some examples of process goals that IET programs may set: the quality of collaboration between adult education, AE, and English as a second language, ESL instructors, the occupational skills trainer, and programs is rated at least above average across the term. IET instructional staff participate in and complete annual professional development training on IET program planning. At least 90% of IET program participants meet one-on-one with a career support professional at least once during the IET program. And at least one new industry partner is engaged to serve an advisory role by the end of the school year. Let's look at examples of goals that IET programs may set related to outcomes. At least 75% of learners enrolled in the IET program will complete the program. 70% or more of learners make a measurable skill gain by the end of each term. 60% or more of learners successfully transition to employment in the targeted occupation within 6 months of program completion. And 80% or more of learners earn an industry-recognized credential within 6 months of program completion. You'll want to collect data throughout each phase of the IET program in order to evaluate its effectiveness. Here are some examples of questions in each of the IET learner phases that data could help to answer. Pre-enrollment. What evidence do you have that your outreach is effective in connecting with the target audience? Enrollment. What evidence do you have that your orientation is effective? Participation. What evidence do you have that supportive services are effectively addressing initial learner barriers to success? What evidence do you have that your partner communication plan is working well? What are the ways learners are successfully accessing and using the technology that has been integrated into the curricula? What evidence is there that the classroom instruction in teaching workforce preparation and adult education basic skills is in context with the workplace training activities? Transition. What does the data show about the extent to which learners are entering the workforce in a job related to the IET? For more information about the 4 phases, click on the link below to watch the learner experience in IET video. Here are some suggestions on how you can apply what you have learned in this video. You may be ready to now work with your IET team members and other appropriate partners to complete the Program Evaluation Plan section in the IET Planning Tool and Proposal. The IET project can also share sample program evaluation plans with you. Please contact the IET project if you have questions or if you'd like more information or support about developing and offering IETs for your learners. Click on the link below to view the contact information for the IET project staff.